Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to know if someone is online on Snapchat or not. So if you want to check for a person whether the person is available on Snapchat or whether the person is online on Snapchat or not. So if you want to check for that, then you can simply go to the Snapchat, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply open the Snapchat here and you have to simply go to chats. And after that you have to simply open the profile of that person and you have to check whether the person has recently sent you a reel or not. But after that you can simply open their profile, and if you see green dot here, that means the person is recently online. And if you want to check on the spot whether the person is online or not, then there is also another option available that you can simply go for the screen recording, and here you can simply call that person, and after that if the person attends your call, that means the person has been online recent times. Moreover, you can simply go for the recent live location, and if the person is showing their live location, then you can simply check for here, or you can simply check for the live location from here, and here you can simply go for that. Moreover, you can also check for the locations here, and you can simply share to that any person whether the person is online or not. In this way you can simply check for the live location, and you can simply make sure that the person is live on the Snapchat location. And after that you can simply check all the details. Moreover, you can simply check and send the message to that person, and after that if the person responds very quickly, that means that person is online. So in this way you can simply check for that whether the person is online or not. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like this you can subscribe our channel.